In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an American Express gift card on PS5. First, you'll want to get your gift card ready. Head to the official American Express gift card website and register the card. During registration, add a billing address to the card. This matters because the PlayStation Store checks your billing information against what the card issuer has on file. Use a real address you can remember and make sure the postal code and any abbreviations match what you'll enter later on your console. While you're there, check the card's balance. Keep in mind that some purchases include tax and, in rare cases, a small temporary authorization hold, so make sure the balance comfortably covers the total. Now move over to your PS5. From the home screen, open Settings, then go to Users and Accounts, choose Payment and Subscriptions, and open Payment Methods. Here, select Add a Credit Debit Card. Although it's a gift card, it runs on the card network like a regular credit or debit card, so this is the correct option. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as they appear. When you're prompted for the billing address, type it exactly the same way you registered it on the American Express site. Matching details are crucial. Even small differences like writing street instead of saint or using the wrong postal code can cause the card to be declined. Take a moment to double check everything before saving. With the card added, open the PlayStation Store and try making a purchase. If you're testing the card, consider choosing a lower priced item first just to confirm everything is working. Watch the final total so you don't exceed the card's balance once tax is included. If the card doesn't go through, don't worry. This can happen with some prepaid and gift cards due to address verification rules. A reliable workaround is to use your American Express gift card to buy a digital PlayStation Store gift card from a trusted retailer such as Amazon. Make sure the PlayStation gift card matches your PlayStation account's region. After checkout, you'll receive a digital code. Go back to the PlayStation Store on your PS5, select Redeem Code, and enter the code to add the funds to your wallet. Once the funds are in your wallet, you can complete your purchase without any billing address hiccups. And that's it. Register the card with a billing address, add it to your PS5 with matching details, try your purchase, and if needed, buy and redeem a PlayStation Store digital gift card as a fallback. Happy gaming.